Let's check out the Li L6, a car that costs over $29,000 driving model performs. A while ago, CEO Li Xiong, didn't he go visit Mr. Ren Zhengfei? Then a lot of rumors started saying that Li Auto was going to use Huawei's smart driving system. Does Li Auto really need Huawei's system? Actually, Li Auto's smart driving isn't worse than Huawei's Harmony OS system. Right, today I'm going to show you guys a one-take, uncut video. Let's head straight home. It's 5:49 p.m. now. It's pretty much the evening rush hour. Look at how it passed that truck. Extremely smooth. I couldn't even feel it braking. It's just that fluid. Okay, now we need to make a right turn. And there are a lot of cars merging in here. You guys can see it, right? You can feel the pressure. Now, about the e-bike ahead. With the old version, the car would just follow the inch forward. But with the VLA driving model update, check out its performance. Alright, guys, its turn signal hasn't stopped. It keeps wanting to go left. See, it won't follow the e-bike at all. It completely went around. There's an illegally parked truck ahead. And there are more e-bikes here too. Before it even reached the braking point, it signaled and moved over. Right? Does it really need this kind of performance system? Of course, Huawei's Harmony OS system might be more aggressive and better, but our Li Auto definitely belongs in the first tier too. The only one better than Li Auto that you can actually name is Huawei ADS. Huawei's ADS, right? As for Huawei ADS, I've experienced it myself, personally. I'm not saying. Maybe it's just my issue, but I feel it's too aggressive. If there's a gap, it takes it. If it can overtake, it definitely will. Being too aggressive for someone like me, well, who isn't fully confident in autonomous driving, it always feels. How should I put it? The sense of security isn't quite there. Aggressiveness has its benefits. It's more capable, right? But when it comes to feeling safe, it doesn't offer as much security as Li Auto. Li Auto feels like a steady, reliable driver. ADS feels like, hey, I just got my license. I want to speed around. Like an aggressive youngster. That kind of feeling. Look, Li Auto also chooses the lane with fewer cars. There are two cars over here. We can't see them with our eyes, right? The lidar is up top. It scanned them from a distance. There are two cars here. So it changed lanes over here. Then, red light. Oh my god, a red light for over 100 seconds. I'm going to pause for a bit. Wait for the light to turn green, then I'll continue. Okay, green light is on. Let's keep going. It's an unprotected left turn. Zero pressure. Also, many car including owners, our own Li Auto owners, sometimes say, Li Auto's self-driving isn't that useful. It's too dumb, or this and that. Oh, but look at this. Right? In this situation, it's just that you aren't once you're used to it, it's actually fine. Now this lane is a bit slow. We're about to enter a congested section, guys. There's a bunch of illegally parked cars ahead. We need to, in a moment, take the right turn lane. So we must be in the rightmost lane. But there's a pile of parked cars here. Let's see how it negotiates this. Before, when I used it, it would really just stay in the rightmost lane and just keep going slowly. But with the VLA driving model, let's see how it performs now. It already went around the truck ahead. There are definitely more parked cars ahead. Them. Correct. Okay, we also need to perform a bypass maneuver. Let's see if it does it. Look, it's already starting to steer, right? But there are many cars on the left, signaling. It needs to squeeze in. Oh man, that Tesla floored it. He just wouldn't let us in. Behind it too. Wouldn't yield. None of them yielded. It's inching forward tentatively. People are honking and not letting it in. It's inching forward. It made it. Okay, this car still won't yield. Ha ha ha, look, it's still got around. After getting around, it will merge back. Every time. I don't know if you guys have noticed, the more expensive the car, the more likely they are to let you in. The cheaper the car, it seems like their time is more precious. They just refuse to yield. Anyway, when I drive, I'm used to yielding. Actually, even if you hurry in this kind of traffic jam, you won't be faster by even a car length. You probably won't be slower by 2 minutes, right? So I suggest everyone not be so aggressive. Yeah, sometimes just yield a bit. We know there's illegal parking, and we need to merge over, so just let us in. Right? Driving especially with the smart driving blue light on. Alright, traffic jam fast forward here. Look at my self-driving. When a truck comes, it yields. How harmonious. The Xiaomi SU7 is kinda handsome. It's got a little bit of swagger. Before, I wasn't used to seeing it. Now I'm used to it. I think it's really kind of handsome. It wants to cut in. Should we let it? See, we let it in. Civilized good driver. This is just like my personality. If it were Huawei, no. If it were ADS, Harmony's self-driving. Right? Are there any M9 owners in the comments? My previous M9 performed exactly like that. M9 owners, M9 won't yield. It will try to squeeze through. So, some people's personalities suit the M9. Someone with a personality like mine suits. I will yield. There's no good or bad here. Just a matter of which feeling you prefer. That's how it should be said. Usually at times like this, I really want to cut it, but it's not encouraged. Not encouraged. What car is this? E8. Geely? Why does it look a bit like an Audi? Right, guys? Geely Galaxy E8. This tail looks a bit like an Audi. Let's be honest. But the front doesn't look like it. It's a bit small. The front also looks a bit like it. Oh my God. Ahead is a right turn. Many drivers make a mistake at this right turn, including me. The first time I came here, I went the wrong way. Because the navigation says right turn now. The first time I came, I turned right from here. I just turned into this intersection. But look at this self-driving. It relies on navigation, so its positioning is very precise. And what's the second place easy to get wrong? Getting to the traffic light. Wait until we get ahead. I'll tell you guys. The second common mistake. I've seen people drive straight into that road ahead. That's driving against traffic. Before, there wasn't this, do not enter. It was easy to go the wrong way. But with self-driving, it won't make this kind of mistake. Mistakes many human drivers would make. It won't. Now, does it need to overtake that car ahead? So aggressive? That's not good. That's not good. Hey, that's right. You just wanted to overtake that. Hey, what was that maneuver just now? A maneuver AITO would make. Cut. AITO owners, come out and comment, right? AITO would dare, Li Auto wouldn't dare, right? But Li Auto feels more secure this way. It's slightly slower. For self-driving at its current stage, I still hope it can be steady. Right? Of course, some people like it more aggressive. This is the same old talk again. I won't repeat the cliché. Let's fast forward. No difficulty here. Okay, we need to exit this expressway ahead. Exit the expressway. And there's a slow car in front. Let's see how it handles it. The slow car isn't exiting. After exiting this expressway, we need to turn right immediately. There might be a traffic jam at the right turn, arriving at destination in 5 minutes. Think about what to bring with you. Okay, here we go. It needs to gamble. Can you guys see the cars ahead? Wow. Very many. It needs to merge in now. Just when it was my turn, there were no cars. Oh, dodged a bullet. Dodged a bullet. There's an e-bike ahead. This kind of traffic jam has no pressure. Many people think self-driving. Car suddenly popped out. If it were me, I would have slammed on the brakes just now. You wanted to cut in directly like that. Hey, what was I going to say? Many people think traffic jams test self-driving. Actually, not anymore. Traffic jams are actually easy for smart driving. Isn't it just following cars, right? No difficulty. I'll fast forward. And there's a roundabout ahead. Roundabouts are super high difficulty. This roundabout has a lot of cars. It's jammed here and there. Let's see how it performs in a bit. Okay, preparing to enter the roundabout. Preparing to start negotiating. Brothers. Here comes the hell level difficulty. Wow. Here it comes. Wow. Here it comes. Brothers, here it comes. A car is coming over from starting now. Oh. Just as a lane opened up, it immediately accelerated past. And many cars here need to pass. But we need to cut through like this. See how it negotiates. Okay, we need to take the outermost lane. Because after we pass this circle, after passing this exit, we'll take the rightmost lane. To exit, it directly chose the rightmost lane. Okay, and there are cars on the left too. What's the verdict? Here comes legal report. Here it comes. Why does it feel like even though there are many cars, so smooth? No difficulty at all. E-bike coming, starting to add some difficulty. Okay. Actually, if it took the left lane, It would be difficult. It took the rightmost lane. It's exiting soon, so no difficulty. With the old version, it would take close to the inner circle. Now, it chooses according to the navigation, whether to go inner or outer. Look at this situation now. It doesn't have much difficulty. Although there are many cars, many e-bikes, right? But overall, it handled it with ease. Bit by bit, it gently gives it some throttle, exploring the path there, trying it out there. Okay, a tricycle and an e-bike. Okay, there's a white Li Auto. Okay. It's already come over now. Negotiation successful. No difficulty. Hell level. What do you call this? It handled the hell level roundabout with ease. Then ahead there's a slightly lighter one. Well, not exactly light either. The roundabout ahead is also very difficult. You guys can see how it performs in a moment. I'll fast forward here. Li Xiong, drive faster. Voice assistant. Okay, accelerating. Li Xiong. Weekend drive limit. At 70. Okay, setting speed to 70 km per hour. From now on, drive at 70 km per hour on this road. Okay, from now on at Fenghuangcheng Avenue, I will drive at 70 km per hour. Dismissed. Call me if you need anything. Go on. How about that voice control? There's another roundabout ahead. Watch its deceleration timing. We will decelerate before entering the roundabout now. Okay, starting to decelerate. Look, right? Hey. It doesn't feel jerky at all. And there's a car here. Okay. It considered this. What? He hesitated. So we just passed. Then there's another car ahead. At the roundabout, it consciously slows down, reducing the feeling of body roll for us. And it's very easy to go wrong here, guys. There's an exit here, and my exit is over here. Hey, it passed it. Very relaxed and comfortable, isn't it? Heading to the target parking spot, and with the current VLA driver model, it can continue NOA even after entering the residential area, right? It's not just about whether it parks in a parking lot or not. And these two lanes, I've parked in both. I've driven through both, so it will also randomly choose one of these two lanes. Okay, now waiting for the gate to open. Thank you. Okay, gate up. After the gate goes up, what's this called? It starts moving, accelerating. Here's a huge one. A huge, what's it called? Speed bump. Oh, okay. Internal roads. Guys, feel how it performs. I thought he was peeing. Turns out he's tying something. That posture was too weird. And now a right turn. Okay. There's an e-bike here we need to go around. Just as my brain thought about going around. It went around. You know? Very synchronized. Why is it called a driver model? Right, then there are parked cars to go around. That car ahead is driving a bit slow. But there are many kids here. Better to drive slower and safer. But not that slow. The speed is a bit too slow, brother. Need to turn left here. What's up with this car? Damn. Okay. Now need to go around this car. For internal roads, its speed limit is 30. See, even if I want to speed up now, I can't. It can only do 30. Hope Li Auto's future versions can let it drive a bit faster. Okay. Turning right now. Preparing to enter a small road. Here we go. After the left turn ahead, the road gets narrower. Let's see how it performs. For this left turn, my wife, a female can't say female driver. My wife sometimes has to take 2 turns here. She has to go way to the right to turn in. Guys can see, it's very narrow here, right? Okay, now navigating a narrow road. The 360 camera just look at how narrow it is. Forget it, this setting. This privacy issue. I won't film the rest.